Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Aradi. Today, my 240 is risen from the dead. It is back together. I have it back on the road. I actually did put out some snippets. If you're on my TikTok and my Instagram, or if you watch the shorts, you'll see me driving it, just taking it on the road, going through it. Bro, it is the craziest driving experience ever for a oldie just like me. I would just say it is amazing to drive. It's not the quickest car, like I said. It's not the fastest, but like just the driving experience. It's just like a Miata, but a little bit bigger. And man, like the handling is crazy. So let's get into the video and check her out.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So guys, I want to say, like, putting this car back together took me 2 years. It took me a lot of time, a lot of man hours, and yes, I had the Audi that I was working on, the A5, I got the A3 I was working on, I had the TC that I was working on, and now I have an A3 back in my hands again. And then I have an S5 that I'm working on. There's a lot of animals in here because this is my neighborhood. I expressed this already in my other previous video. Let's go over some of the details, like what I have put into this car that make it special to me. One, let's start with the wrap. The wrap we could start with because it's the most out there part of it, and I have never wrapped a car hood or this big of a piece in one piece of wrap before. This is a new experience for me, and I've learned a lot working on this car, like from rebuilding the engine, putting on fender flares, and I wanted to keep it original to its original like factory. And everybody usually go ahead and replace the front bumper, but this is the OEM bumper, and then I put my own take to it. So check this out. You can see it has a wing on the bottom, and this is a wing you can get from anywhere, but like I wanted to be different. Like I really wanted to be different, and the last time I did it, it created issues. It got damaged before, and I was like, okay, it's not perfect. So this time I'm doing it a little bit different, right? So now the wing is literally, it's one piece, but it's adjustable. It's fully adjustable. So to adjust this, I have a reinforcement rods right here. I have rods coming down, I have rods going to the sides, and I have rods to the end. Now, if I really wanted to adjust this car for like maximum downforce, all I had to do is basically adjust the rods to come out and then have the other ones pushed down and have those pushed down, and it will still stay sturdy to create a lot of drag on the front of the car if I really wanted to. If I don't want any drag and I want lift, all I gotta do is basically adjust this rod here to push the other direction, which would probably be up, to create more drag to bring the car or lift the car front end to release some of that air pressure off the car. It's just a little thing, theory in my mind. I don't know if it really works, but all I know that it's fully adjustable. Let's come around to the wheels. All right, so the wheels, these wheels are Mustang wheels. These are the, I think I believe, if I'm correct, it's the anniversary Mustang wheels, and it's from like the 90s. So you can't find these wheels anymore. These wheels are discontinued. So these are the only set. These are 17 by 10s. They're all from wide boys. And to find tires to fit on it was very hard, but I just did my best on there. The size tires that's on this set of wheels is a 225/45 on the front, 17s. You can see that they're a bit more stretch because again, this is a 17/10 wheel rim. And to get this set up was very difficult because if I don't get it right, I can't turn. Like I would not be able to turn. Like it would be too wide. And let's go to the back. In the back here, I have 245/40. So this is a wider wheel, a wider tire. They actually give me that full, or not too much of a stretch, but the widest I could get to go fit on this wheel, that is actually a 17. Because this 17/10 is really, really wide. Like I can put my hand in there. That's how much my hand goes in. It's really wide. I have 2 spaces on there as well. And let's talk about the body kit. This is the Rocky Bunny body kit. This body kit here, I bought it off eBay. I bought it in pieces. At the time where I lived, I wasn't able to store parts or anything like that, so I decided to get it in pieces. So I bought these fender flares first, and then I bought a rocker. And when I bought the rocker, I was like, okay, I don't need anything else because the car's not completely done yet, but I want it to be my take on a full build. So I like the Rocky Bunny kit. And then I wanted to do something different, which you can see I did with the lip in the front. That you can see it's very different than what other cars would actually do. Right now it's on like some cheap coilovers. So if anybody out there want to sponsor me some coilovers, hey, I'm your boy, right? Then I come in here. Notice I have a knockoff, or should I say, I have a Nardi steering wheel, quick release. Very easy to use. Right, and then have my racing seat.
Is that an RX-8?
No, it's a 240SX.
240SX?
Yeah.
You trying to sell it?
No. Thank you. Yeah. So, all right. Where was I? So yeah. So I have a quick release steering. It's pretty easy, really nimble. I really like how it feels. Bucket seats on here, they're unbranded, but they're really cool. Sitting pretty well. And I traded my old wheels for these bucket seats. So yes, you could actually do trade in our society, which is pretty cool. I would have to say, man, let me know what you think about this wrap, because this wrap is just crazy. There's some more things I want to do to it to make it more unique, but it's not fully done yet. This portion of it is complete. I just want to put like a number on the side, or maybe some high butt details or decals on the side. And I also wanted to put more stickers on it. If I get more sponsors, any sponsors, because this car is sponsored 100% by me, we could definitely put up some sponsor stickers on the side and promote the brand and make some more videos. Come back here. You got my exhaust, aftermarket exhaust. If you've seen some of the videos, or hopefully in the video, I got some flames, and I would just say, let's go for a ride.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too train. Years in the game, there's no what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say. I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never cap in space.
I have a build for this car. I have a vision in my mind that I want to come to put together, and without sponsors, without support, I can't build this car the way I want it to. And it's up to you guys to click the links in the bottom. There's gonna be Amazon affiliate links. There's gonna be a Spreadshirt affiliate link down there as well, where I'm gonna have my merch. And if you guys were to go ahead and click those links and support me in what I have going on, buy the merch, I will be able within a year to actually strip this car down and do the build I want. It's not gonna be a V8 normal build. It's not gonna be a V8 single turbo build. It's not gonna be a RB, a 2JZ. It's not gonna be a, what do you call it, when it's under motors put in the car. No, it's not gonna be a rotary motor. It's gonna be something I have in mind that I want to put together. It's not gonna be a but if you were to go ahead, or if you were to go ahead and actually support your boy and order the stuff online and buy my merch, then definitely this dream will come through. I want to do this build as soon as possible, and without the support I can't. And I want to make sure that it's going to be one of a kind, a first, and I know it will be definitely a first, because once that build starts, it will be sick, it will be crazy, it will be you could try to replicate, but I don't think you'll be able to replicate what I have in my thoughts to do with this car. Like, yes, this factory looks, I try to keep it as stock as possible, because I know once I start cutting into it, it's gonna be a whole different thing, and I don't want to butcher it up before I get to that point. Keep it as factory as possible, so this way when I start to cut it up, I'm not missing anything. I didn't cut out something out of it before time and stuff like that. So please support me. Click the links in the bottom. Be a sponsor. Show your love, because I have a crazy build that I want to do with this car, and without your help I can't do it. So like, subscribe, and watch the videos, follow, and yes, if this channel hit those numbers that I'm expecting to generate, or if do even better than that, that build will be crazy, and I'll probably break the internet. So let's do that, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace. I don't even know what size the tires. Oh, you're recording me, so well, I can still record, it's fine. Alright, so